Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are coming across my video for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. On this channel I drop powerful strategy for you guys, powerful strategy you can use to milk the boom and crash markets, the V75 and other currency pairs. You are highly welcome guys. Now on today's video I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful strategy. I call this strategy the wait and kill strategy. The wait and kill strategy. A very powerful strategy, guys. Once you will be patient, once you can be patient enough to wait for your conditions to be met, you have not less than 15 candles from this boom and crash 1 minute time frame. Once you can be patient enough to wait for your conditions to be met, you have not less than 15 candles, guys. So without wasting more time, let me show you how to do that. Okay guys, now for an entry we go to our 15-minute time frame to make our analysis. Okay, now let's go and do that. 15-minute time frame here. Now you can see this is an example here. Now we are going to be using this strategy to scalp the market, and we are going to be using it to buy. Yeah, not catching spike. We are going to be using it. I will show you how to catch spike with it also, but let me start with the buying first. Now in order to buy, we wait for, let's say, first of all you wait for these two moving averages here, this moving average and the MACD signal line. The moving average is the red line and the MACD signal line is the blue line here. You wait for both of them to get to the oversold level here, which is the 15 level. Wait for your price to get there. Once the two moving averages are touching this 15 level here, now you don't enter, you wait for one more conditions to be met. Now the other condition you wait for is a crossing above this zero level here. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. A crossing above this zero level. This is the zero level here, the zero level. A crossing above it. Once you see the red moving average crossing above that zero level, now this is where you enter. You don't enter in this 15-minute time frame here, or if you like you can enter, but the proper way to enter is you go back to your 1 minute time frame here. And let me show you a clean example. Now this is where it's in. Let me show you another. Okay, now let's say for example this is, no, there's one thing I miss. Let me delete this one, it's disturbing me. Now this is where it crosses. Let's say when it crosses that 15 and sorry guys, I forgot to show you something on the 15. Let me go back and quickly show you that. Okay, this is where it crosses. Now what you need is this blue moving average on the main screen is the same thing with the zero level. So this is the moving average that will help you to confirm what is going on in the main screen. So once you see it crosses like this, once it crosses above like this, you go back to your 1 minute time frame. You go back to your 1 minute time frame. Now on your 1 minute time frame, when you get to your 1 minute time frame, you will see the market. You will see the markets coming. You see the market, it will still be in an uptrend like this. You understand what I'm trying to say? It will still be in an uptrend like this. Now what you wait for is a spike down to this 15 level. You get, it spiked till the 15 level here. Let me use this one as an example for us. Let me use this. Okay, this is, let's say this is where it spiked to. You get, now once it spiked down and you see the two line here, the red and blue, touching the 15 level here, you go in for a buy. Same thing goes to boom and crash. Go to boom, the boom pair too. Like the boom, you'll be buying, you'll be selling, and crash, you'll be buying. So once you see it get to this over sold level here, now you don't just buy, you wait for a crossing to occur. A crossing to occur. One immediately you see the red moving average crossing the blue mark D line, the mark D signal line. Once you see a crossing, you enter immediately. You just enter. You wait for nothing else. Now our you just enter and you take 15 candles. Why did I say 15 candles? Now you know on the 15-minute time frame, one candlestick is like 15 candle in the 1 minute. You get, one candlestick is like 15 candle. And then you know that this 15 here, 15 moving average here, this crossing here is showing you a trend reversal. It's showing you that the trend now is changing to an uptrend. So there is no way, any spike can blow your account. You understand what I'm trying to tell you to say, guys? There's no way any spike will blow your account. There are some situations where you meet spike. Yeah, definitely. There are some situations where spike will occur before this red moving average gets to the overbought level. There are some situations where the spike will come, but I assure you that any spike that will come cannot like take you back to your entry point. It will not blow your account. It will not blow your account except you didn't follow the conditions well. Take a pen, rewind the video, note everything I say down, all the conditions that need to be met, write it down and make sure you follow it one by one before entering this market. And once you follow it and wait patiently, you can take 15 candles out of this market. You hold till it gets to the overbought level. Even if it gets to the overbought level, make sure you get your 15 candle and then you are out. Even if, okay, let's say anytime it spike before it reaches the overbought level, anytime it spike, just make sure you count your 15 candles out. Count even the spike too, count that one too, and make sure it reach 15. Then you'll be out of the market and you wait for another ultimate entry opportunity. Once it come again, you enter. So once you keep doing this, guys, with time, you see your account growing. That $10 account, it will grow. So you see, this strategy is very powerful, guys. It's very powerful. Just try it with your demo. Don't just take my word for it. Try it with your demo account first. Once you see it, just like try it for like, let's say 2 weeks or 1 month. Once it's working for you, you see your progress, then you can put in your money and trade with it, guys. So you see, this strategy is very powerful. Now, without wasting much time, let me quickly show you the settings before I forget. I normally do that. Now, for an entry, you click on the F icon here. Click on this F icon here. Start clicking on the F icon. It will take you to an interface. You already know how to do that, I think. Now, our first moving average, you open, this is our first moving average, period 5. Just copy everything. I don't want to waste much time again. Copy everything here. Just copy everything. Go back. Our second moving average is the 30. Copy everything. Now this one is kind of, you can see the period is 30, shift 0, method simple, then apply to. I use the previous indicators data, the last one here. You can see that, guys. That's the one I use. Then you click on done. You go back, and this is our third moving average, the 200 moving average. This one is just for me to know the trend of the market, the overall trend of the market. It doesn't have much use, sure, I always put it on my charts because I want to be knowing the trend. So if you like, you can put it. If you like, don't put it. It doesn't have much use. All right. Now you go back and our indicator window one. Our indicator window one, which is your indicator level. I use the MACD. It shows us trend reversal. That's the work of the MACD. Now you see this is the setting. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA 26. The MACD SMA I use 9. Apply to close. Now the style 1 pixel I use black. You can see it. Just copy everything and you click on done. And this is our moving average. This is our moving average. Period 1, shift 0, method simple. Apply to. I use indicator first indicators data, because if you don't use this one here, the first indicators data, it will not follow the MACD exactly the way it's following it like that. You can test it and see it for yourself. If you don't use this one, it will not follow it like that. So you need to note how to change it to this one. So this is the setting. You click on done. Then the stochastic, this is the one I use in setting our levels, like the 15 and the 0 level. This is the one I use in the marketing, because the MACD doesn't have that level. It only just have that the 0 level. So I use the stochastic to show our 15 and our 18 level, our overbought and our oversold level. So you can see this is the settings for it. Just copy everything. I use the 15 and the 85. You can see that. Then you click on done. You have a screen like this. This is what you need. This is all what you need. You can use it on the crash, on the boom. You can use it on the boom. Just do the opposite. And in our next video, I will show you how to use it to catch spike. So I don't want this video to be more than 15 minutes, so I'll be stopping here. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you get value, please like and subscribe to my video for more powerful strategies like this. I'll be dropping more powerful strategies like this for you guys. Thank you guys for your time. Wish you success in this market. Thank you. Silver out.